CBDC, or the central bank digital currency. In this video, we'll check out the website, but also a little bit on what is going on behind the hood, because we want to get gains like this. Buy for 300, sell for 28K. I have an example of that in my course, link in the description down below. But right here, we can see a few patterns that have played out time and time again on tokens that are below 500 hours old. So this is one of the futures I have on the XC screen right now. This is how I found this token, and this is how I'm planning to trade potential good stuff. I won't waste a second of your time. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open up the website to see how fundamentally strong it would hold. CBDC launches on Solana blockchain and releases white paper. It looks like the European Union website or something. Solana leads gaining crypto majors, funds Bitcoin ETF in the books. So all these articles are basically created in the last 3 days. They had some in January. That's for SEO purposes. Word from the Fed. 60 minutes. Central bank thinks in currency. The chart, Telegram. I think it's on purpose. It's created so shitty to look like this kind of a establishment. If we filter out transactions above $2.5 thousand, we can see that we had a sell at 5K, buy at 3K, sell at 3K. Yeah. So let's analyze a little bit. So this guy bought for 3 grand, sold for 58 grand right now. So he bought, I don't even know how long ago, it doesn't even show on the chart. And this is what I want to see. He bought here, made 39,000. Look at this. These are the gains we're waiting for. We're not waiting for just like 30% profits. We want to get 300 bucks into 28K. So I have a concrete strategy on how to track these wallets. So what I'll do is I'll go here and we'll go to Step Finance for Solana. This is something that I will be adding to my course on how to analyze Solana projects. Right now we have very interesting parts. So if you want to join in, link in the description down below. Welcome message, managing expectations, setting me your wallet, how to buy tokens, how to choose my levels, your best friends on the to view the charts, and it's not trading view, and it's not the indicators. My first secret weapon, my second secret weapon to basically get the value and daily bias. I can forget about the chart. I look on chain and on chain data, and then I show you my strategies and the patterns I use compared with daily bias. That's very strong. So you can right here, and this is something that I'll be adding in the next few days for Solana in the course, is we'll copy the AI. Is very interesting, by the way. A lot of people are talking about it. So what I'll do is, do I have it saved here or in the Solana wallets? We'll go to the Solana wallets. We'll check out one of the whales that I have saved. Oops. Yes, here it is. Logging out of this account, disconnect, connecting. Come on, mate. Step Finance is a little bit buggy compared to the bank. Okay, here it is. So this guy has 13 grand. He has some silicate, and he has been buying stuff early. So actually add him to, he bought some tokens early. So yeah, he still has some silicate, which is interesting, and I want to see where he actually bought that silicate, because we want to see when we're finding these guys, we want to see their level of competence. So if we see they did good, like this guy bought for nothing, it seems like on the chart, it seems like he invested 3 grand, 58 grand. That's a 20x pretty much in a day. 1,000 bucks in 20 grand. That's life changing. Imagine that 5 grand to 100 grand, just like that. So we want to see his competence. Was it just luck? Because he obviously bought early from what we can see on the chart right here. Yeah, and he still has some unrealized 800. So yeah, he bought 2 bill worth, 2 bill here, and he just got the gains. He might have been part of the team, but we can still follow his actions. So what we'll do is we want to see his address, which is right here. And what I wanted to do was find out other projects that he is potentially investing in, right? And one of them is the Silly Cat project. So go ahead and type in Silly Cat right here to measure his effectiveness. And the thing is that you want to be intentional. You want to spend the time on analyzing these tokens before actually pulling the trigger. So this token he made, let's copy his address again. So go ahead and go here. We'll copy the signer, and then we'll go to here. We'll filter only his transactions, just like so. And from this project, he's basically down 7 grand. But yeah, he has 4.5, so he's down 3 grand. He was buying the tops right here. He kind of looks like a bot. Bots are doing that. They're selling the first red week, buying the top. That's a little bit lame. Look, buying here, that's not stupid. Buying here wasn't stupid. But he should have taken profit for 20% for the scalp and re-enter right here on the break and retest pattern. He didn't watch the course. Even though you can argue that this was a weak high. It's a little bit difficult to decide on this specific pair. But yeah, he doesn't have that good of a track record. But look, the issue is that we have a good buy. This was a good buying opportunity. You should have taken profits here. And this is one of the best patterns that I teach in my course. Stop loss would be right below this low. And this would be right here. You probably wouldn't have gotten the whole move. You probably would have slippage, but 1 to 4, very good. $1,000 to of risk to, because that's an 83% profit. Look at this pump. $1,000 worth of risk for 4 grand, or 10 grand invested, 8 grand out. You have the liquidity to get out, kind of. Maybe for 5 grand you would have made this. So that's very, very good. Now we have the second dump, and the second dump is a little bit weird because now we have a huge selling candle with a low amount of buying candles. This is still a little bit more bullish than bearish. We have 5 minutes to end this 15-minute candle. But I wouldn't be buying right now because we have a few failed tests. So I might be interested in buying some, because even if you did it, like, look, it pumps here, and what does it do? Dump to here. What do? You buy. Where do you take profit? Here at the candle body. And when you take profit in candle body, that's another 50, 60, 70%. Now it's dumping. Well, we already had 2 chances, so now this will be a weaker buying zone. So I would imagine it can dump a little bit before it pumps. So all that matters right now is the community. Will it be strong enough to pump this token? So that's something that's definitely interesting. Let me know your thoughts. The way I would play this, I would try to buy here on cycle 1 or on cycle 2. I would do my secret pattern that I love to trade. I love to trade if you have all the criteria right, and this token had them at the time. You just gotta put in the legwork to learn and then to find setups. If you don't know how to learn, when to learn, you can learn for free and when you hit the subscribe button, or you can just join the course. I think it's definitely worth it for $300. Any tuition, any course of my competitors, like 3 grand. I'll be adding a lot more stuff, so I'll have a lot more lessons. I'll cover a lot more things because I'm a real trader. I'm not a make pretend trader. I'm a real trader. So if you're interested in that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and as Jay-Z said, on to the next one. We'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video, next token.